Welcome to Distinction Tuition Center. This is your host, Mr. Mvumbo, and today we are going to continue our topic of arithmetic progression from where we ended. Last time we are looking at finding the nth term, and today we'll be looking at finding the mean of an arithmetic progression. So consider the statement that is below there. If A, B, and C are three consecutive terms in an arithmetic progression, then B is an arithmetic mean of A and C. So if you look at B where it is in between of A and C. So this simply means that if you add the first term, which is A, and you add the third term, which is C, you are going to, and subtract it, divide it by 2, you are going to get B. So what is the general formula for finding the mean of an arithmetic progression? So the formula that we use is that B is equal to 1/2, you open brackets, A plus C B, which is the number that is in between, is equal to A plus C divided by 2. Where is this 2 coming from? It's because you are adding two numbers, which is A and C, divided by 2. So other formulas, you are going to find them, they've written as B is equal to half AC. That is just the same as A plus C over 2. Okay, so let's try to look at the first example. We try to look at the first example here, of which the question reads, find arithmetic, or if x and y, find x and y if 16x6y forms an AP. So if you look at the expression there, you have 16, you have x, you have 6, you have y, and this is an arithmetic progression. So find x and y. So we are saying if you have the three first consecutive terms, which means the first one it is A, the second one it's B, and the third one it is C. So in this case, what will be our A? Our A, we are going to have what? We are going to have 16. So A is equal to 16. What will be our B? Our B is going to be X. And what is our C? Our C is going to be 6. Okay, so that means even the job there, it's done. You are just going to get your general formula, which is here. B is equal to half A plus C. So where there is B, you are going to put X. Where there is A, you are going to put 16. Where there is C, you are going to put 6. So X is equal to half 16 plus 6. So you are going to add what is 16 plus 6, you are going to have 22. So your X is equal to half 22. So what is the half of 22? The half of 22 is what? Is 11. So X is equal to, is going to be 11. Okay, so when we come now to finding the value of y, that means you get the three consecutive terms that are near y. So you have the first one, which is x. X, we found that it is what? It is 11 here. And B is going to be 6, and Y is going to be C. So we are saying A is going to be 11, then B is going to be 6, then C is going to be Y. Okay. So you are going just to replace where there is B, you are going to put 6. Where there is A, you are going to put 11. And where there is Y, you are going to put what? Where there is C, you are going to put Y. Sorry for that. So you have the general formula there, which is B is equal to half A plus C. So what is your B? Your B is 6. So you are going to write 6 is equal to half. What is your A? Your A is 11. You're going to indicate 11 plus what is your C? Your C is going to be y. So you have the complete equation, which is 6 is equal to half 11 plus y. So we are going to expand by multiplying half times 11 and times y. So half times 11, you're going to have 11 over 2 plus half times y, you're going to have y over 2. So what is your common denominator? Your common denominator. So you're going to cross multiply 6 times 2, you're going to have 12. 12 is equal to 11 plus y. Then from there, you're going to collect the like terms together. Where the like terms, you have 12 and 11. So one of the numbers is going to cross the equal sign. And what happens when a number crosses the equal sign? It changes the sign. So you have 11 the other side, which is a positive 11. When it crosses the equal sign, it's going to be a negative. So you're going to have 12 minus 11 is equal to y. And that is 12 minus 11. 12 minus 11 is equal to 1. So your y here is going to be 1. Okay, so let's also try to look at the exam question that came in 2019. The exam question that came in 2019. So the question reads, given that 17 plus m plus 22 plus a consecutive term of an AP, find the arithmetic mean. Find an arithmetic mean. So that is the question there. 17 plus m plus 27 is 3 consecutive terms of an AP. Find the arithmetic mean. So it is simple. You know, we know the formula, that the formula is B is equal to half A plus C. So A is the first term, B is the second term, C is the third term. So if you look at the numbers there, you're going to have your A there, B is going to be M, then C is going to be 27. So your formula where there is B, you're going to put what? You're going to put M is equal to half times A is equal to 17, B is equal, C is equal to 27. So what is 17 plus 27? 17 plus 27 is going to be 44. And what is the half of 44? The half of 44 is what? Is 22. Nishichapa wasanga, nishikwasira wapeza, nishikunao unawane ansa yove. And from there now we are going to B reads, for the sequence, find the nth term. So which sequence is this? You have the sequence of 11, comma, 13, and 15. Find the nth term. So the nth term, I believe all of you have got an idea on how to find an nth term, because we looked at this in our previous lesson. So what is the formula for finding this nth term? So Tn, which is the total number of terms, is equal to A plus open brackets n minus 1 cross then D. So Tn represents the total number of terms, then A is the first term, n is the nth term, and D is the common difference. Okay, so we are finding just the formula of nth term. We've not been given an nth term, so the Tn is going to be maintained. So Tn is equal to, what is your first term? Your first term is what? Your first term is 11, which is there. So we're going to write 11 plus open brackets. You're going to have y n minus 1. Then what is your difference? Your difference is 2. How do you find the difference? You find the difference by subtracting the second term minus the first term. So you're going to subtract 13 minus 11, which is going to give you a 2. So your common difference is 2. So Tn is equal to 11. You now expand from the bracket, so you multiply 2 times n, you're going to have 2n. Then 2 times negative 1, you're going to have negative 2. Then from there now you collect the like terms together, which is 11 now. 11 minus minus 2 plus what? Plus 2n. So what is 11 minus 2? 11 minus 2 is what? Is 9 plus 2n. So 9 and 2n, they are not like terms. So hence, you cannot add them and your answer will remain like that, which is tn is equal to 9 plus 2n. I encourage each and every one of you to pick up a past paper, go through it, check each and every question, especially in paper 1, because an arithmetic progression is usually comes in paper 1. So go through paper 1 and try to find each and every question that you can solve. If you find any difficulties, if you find any challenges, please feel free to contact me or just WhatsApp me. I'll be able to help you. Thank you so much. God bless.